Yo, I try to tell them. This my year.
Hey. Yeah, let's see how you doing the pressure. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy.
Give all praises to Yahweh B'Shem Mashiach Yahweh Shai. That means all praises to the Most High God by way of His Son, Jesus the Christ. Hopefully protect us on this ride today. Not just the ride, but the entire day, you know what I'm saying? And I make it a habit to thank God when He gives you the good and the bad, right? Because gotta be thankful for all of it. Woo, Jixer sounds good today. Now, I am not happy because my appointments, both of my appointments, are on the same side of town that I got my ticket on. So, not happy about going back over there. If I have to. I will say though, I love these JBLs, these JBL wirelesses, man. In my opinion, they sound better than the AirPod Pros. Honestly, they really do. Demise of Frank. Then on the way out tour, we were smoking outdoor. That's what outdoors videotaped it all. I still watch it now. Learn to the world, learn how to rock a crowd. It ain't much, but it beats poor. That I've been through. And all this big fun. And let's go, same shit. 50-50, same split. Let me put that money up. Honestly, I don't even know why I came this way. I'm just trying to change it up. I hate riding through the cities though. That's one thing you'll notice about in my videos is that I don't ride a lot in the city. You got some people that like to ride and mob around the city. I just don't, man. It's just too many cars, too many people. I just feel like you increase your chances of just trouble altogether because just think when you get a lot of people together. Yes, I need to answer that. I've been waiting on this damn text message from the VA. Been waiting on it. Finally got the message. Man, shitty road, dude. The only thing I don't like about these JBLs is that when you take them off, when I take my helmet off, it's like they just fly out. Whereas my AirPod Pros, man, I could at least maybe sometimes keep them in, but usually I be able to keep one in. The other one will pop out, but and honestly I think that's part of the reason why why my silicone ear tips probably ended up ripping. Constant wearing them in my helmet constantly. If I didn't care about getting another ticket, I would. So I was thinking today, man, about bikes in general, different manufacturers, and I started thinking, like, the price I paid for the Suzuki is actually worth every penny of the bike, man. I know the bike doesn't have the most like superior latest tech like you would see in like the BMW or the Ducati, right? But generally you don't really need tech to make the bike good. And Suzuki has made this bike, the GSXR 1000 and the GSXR 1000 RR. They've made these bikes essentially the same since 2017, and they're still just as good and just as fast, and can beat the fastest brands, and they still do. So to me, damn, it's fucking shitty road, dude. It's so bad, it's like you can feel it moving on your tires. It's dangerous. That's why I don't drive over here. Woo. Like the road feels so bad, it makes you think that you have a fucking flat or something. Grips your tire into the crazy grooves. Let's get the hell off this shitty road. This is why I don't come down there. So I wanted to make it a point to come out today because the weather's been so crappy. So I wanted to make a point to come out today and go to my appointments, and take the bike since it's so nice out. going the speed limit because I don't want another ticket. That's just gonna cost me $247. I ain't lying. What I'm in third gear. This is gonna take a while to get the tires warm though. I'm gonna take the freeway. I ain't lying, they got me sitting in an infrared beam. They got me sitting there motherfucker screaming. What is the meaning when thugs cry? It's a fucking... Alright, let me slow down. And another thing I gotta get for sure, some damn riding boots. That's for sure. Boy on that booster. He on that booster. Making sure, I don't want to get hit. I can't win against a back truck, bro. I ain't lying, so I gotta get high, die, deep in thugs cry. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, I was thinking about this bike, dude, and when you compare it to like a BMW, my dream bike, right, or the Ducati or any of the Euro bikes, this bike doesn't really stand out. Like, it's a beautiful bike. The styling is okay. I love it. It's not bad. I love the styling. I've always liked Suzuki styling. But compared to those bikes, it's not like super special. It's just a bike. Almost like if you had the 750 compared to like some of the other bikes in the class, like the ZX9s or ZX6 and stuff like that, the Tech and all that stuff. Like the Gixxer just doesn't have it, but it's just a raw bike, you know. So I think if you want a rider's bike, you want to feel the feedback of the bike without having the electronics hinder you or whatnot, Suzuki is the best way to go. I've seen so many issues though, which kind of makes me nervous about getting a BMW. It just seems like a lot of the tech causes the bike to fail. I've seen like countless videos of people literally just like the BMW just failing, like just driving it and then pop-ups pop up and it's just like, oh, you fucked this up. It's just like, oh my gosh, that sucks, dude. Be careful, there's a lot of gravel over here. A lot of gravel. But yeah, this is a wholesome bike, man. It's like the perfect bike all around. What I like about this bike too, it is a builder's bike as well. So, you know, if you're a builder and you're trying to build out your bike, this is the bike to get. Let's go. But yeah, man, perfect day. You know, all I gotta do is just be safe, and that's it. But yeah, we gotta head over here. Shouldn't take me long for this appointment. I just never bring my bike here, and kinda one thing I don't like about being on bikes is that sometimes I just hate, I don't mind it, but I just hate taking off all my gear just to put it back on. And so that's the only reason I never take my bike to my appointments. I just hate taking all the stuff off, putting it back on. Like, I know it's gonna be a pain in the ass taking this helmet off. I don't think she sees me. Back off a little bit. Looks like she wants to get over. Let's go. You better be watching. That's crazy. Motherfucker. Alright.